Welcome back, guys. This is my new CRV I bought from California. No rust or anything. It has a stumble problem, or like the stalling misfire. So today we're going to change the spark plugs, cap and rotor, and the spark plug wires. All stock, 155,000 miles. The guy said he did change out the cap, but I'm going to change it all out anyways. All NGK wires and spark plugs. The spark plugs, maybe they're not NGK or something, maybe that's why. We'll see though. So we're going to remove these plug wires first. And then pull the spark plugs out. So I pulled the plugs out and the wires. I grabbed the new distributor cap, and then I referenced the wires and put them all on here. Next we're going to take this off and change the rotor inside. These were a little cheaper NGKs, but they're NGKs. They don't look too bad, but I'll show you here. If anything, maybe a little lean, but I mean that's usual. So the gap sizes look kind of off on some of them. Anyways, we're gonna go take off this cap right here. And these are the new plugs that are going in, the rutheniums. These are the newest NGK. What's it called? The material. It's really good. See, that gap is way closer, and these will last longer usually than the iridiums. So these are going in. Alright, got everything back on. Here's how it looks. I'll probably mess around with these wires again, probably try and make them look better, but all the NGK stuff, everything's installed. Maybe I should plug this back in and then start the car. Alright, let's give it a start. So far sounds pretty good. Alright, there you go. Go clear those codes, see if they come back. So far the check engine is gone. I plugged in the reader and read the codes and cleared it. If you guys didn't know, the OBD2 reader is on the passenger side, right down there. Never mind, it's flashing again.